Hi guys, welcome back to Rahini's show, and today I'm going to be opening up this snap circuits, and we can build over 100 exciting projects. This set requires, there is more than 30 pieces in this. So, and then there is easy to follow instructions, so you don't have, it's not going to be complicated too. And it needs to require 2 AA batteries, which I have right here. So let's open it. We have the book here. So we're going to be turning our first project. So this shows how the electricity is turned on and off with a switch. So we will be needing the base grid. This is where we are going to be building our project. Okay, I'm going to be having 2. So there's numbers on the top, 1 to 10, and there's alphabets on the side, which is A to G. It's going to show you where to put it. So, yeah. So, we are going to be needing one of the snap wire that says 3. And we are going to be putting this on the C2. So, we're going to go to C, going to go to 2. So, we're going to be placing this right there like that. Here, see, like C and then 2. Now we're going to take out this lamp, and this is 2.5 volts. So yeah, we're going to put that on the 3D. So we're going to go to D, we're going to go to 3. We're going to be putting this right here. So we actually have, we're going to be putting this right here actually, 3C. And now we're going to be needing a 2 snap wire, and we're going to be connecting those 2 like that. Now we will need this switch that will turn the lamp on, turn it off. So we're going to be putting this right over here, which is E3, like that. And now with one more 2 snap wire, we're going to connect these 2 like that. We're going to be needing the battery holder, battery charger. And we're going to be putting the batteries in. Okay, we're going to be taking 2 more of these 2 snap wires. So we need to connect it. Okay, there we go. There we go. So just like that. I really hope this works, because I have no idea if it's going to work or not. And now we are going to put that down like that, and we are going to connect it like that. So we're done with our first project. Now it's time to see if it works. I hope it works. It works! Oh my gosh. And I am going to be trying this project too in a different video. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!